back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, just welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe, comment, give me some feedback. But as you can see from the title, this is going to be a video on how I achieved these butterfly locks. They're about like a couple weeks old now, going on like 3 weeks. But I'm going to just show you guys because I promised in the last video that I would show you guys how I do it. So they actually still look really good to me because once they get old, they still look good. Like they start to look more natural, like locks and like your real hair. So yeah, I'm just going to take down a few and then show you how I accomplish this look. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I am using free tress braid, crochet and lash hook water wave 22-inch. If you want your locks longer than this, I would use like a 24-inch, but this is all I saw at the beauty supply was a 22-inch. And like I said, it is in the water wave, so yeah. For this tutorial or for this style, you're going to need this. I used about 8 packs. But these are really thick, and I made the parts like really small. I have a whole bunch of like locks in my head. So if you want them as thick as mine's, then I used 8 packs. If you have like a bigger head, I have a really tiny head, or like a lot of hair, you're gonna need a lot more packs than 8. I just have a really small head, and my hair's not that thick. So I used 8. So if you, like I said, just to each his own. I would get more than 8 if your head big, okay? Okay, you're also gonna need a crochet hook, and you're gonna need some whatever like jam or gel of your choice. I wouldn't use gel, I use jam. I don't know where my jam is, but I'm not gonna use it in this video because like I said, I previously braided everything, and all I'm gonna do is take down one and show you how I accomplished it. I'm not gonna show you my plaque, how I did my plaque, because you should know how to braid. If not, I'm sure there's a video out there on that, but I'm gonna just show you how I got the crochet, I guess, the hair onto my hair. So boom, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm just taking it down. To take it down, you just pull your braid out, and this is my edge, so it's like really thin. Like I told y'all, my hair not thick at all. So yeah, that's my hair. And this is the weave. So what you're gonna do is, hold on, take the braid, your hair, make sure you don't got no other hair in it, and cut that hair. Boom, just like that, cut it. And then it should just come out, the rest, just like that. And like I said, there's my plaque. I'm about to show y'all how to add the hair. Okay, so for this style, these particular size Bohemian locks, butterfly locks, whatever you want to call them, I used two of these. They come in like little separate things. I used 2 of them for each one. So I think that's why it took so many packs, but I used 2. So what I do here, these are my 2 little things. I put them together, and I don't separate them until after I get them attached to my hair. So you take your crochet, put it through, hook that on, close it, and pull it through, just like that. I make sure I grab my finger through before I take the crochet off. And you have a little hole right here. Take your braid as well as the hair right here all together and like pull it through, just like that. So then this is what you have. This is how it's gonna look. So from here, I take, this hair be getting tangled. From here, I take 2 of the strands, and I just begin to wrap it like a regular lock. I'm about to, hold on, I gotta put this hair back. So as I was saying, I just wrap it around like a regular, like if you're doing regular locks, and make sure this part is tight because this is the part that's at your root, so you want that to be tight, as tight as you want it, because you don't want to, you know, have nerve damage. Okay, you still want your edges after this, but I'm doing it kind of tight, so my edges, you know, hopefully they still there. Jesus' name. Lord, please don't take my edges away after this style. I mean, they don't look like they gone from that one, but yeah, so you just twist. And then once you get to like right here, like half of your finger, my finger's short, so I don't know, quarter of your finger, you can start doing it a little more sloppy so that you can get that butterfly effect. Like you can see it's starting to get like a little more loose. And I twist it. I don't know if you saw what I did, but I'm twisting it to get that butterfly effect. I'm just twisting it and wrapping. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. Until you get down to where you want your locks to stop. So I want my locks to stop about right here to match the other ones. And I'm going to flip it. I mean, I'm not going to flip it yet. I'm just going to take this, wherever you want it to stop, and take the one that you were already twisting and wrap back up. And with this one, you're going to be even more looser with it because you already have a tight one, so you don't need it to be tight again because you want the butterfly effect. And so, like I said, I'm just literally twisting like really loose. I'm really twisting loose. And then this is when you can start separating because you want the hair to stay. So I would start separating it a little bit at the ends so that it can stay. And you can do whatever you want. You can burn it to seal it. I personally don't like the way the burn feels once it's done, so I just wrap it until you can't wrap it no more, and then I just come back down. I don't go all the way back up. I leave that like straight, like about this much straight. I leave it about like this much straight, and I just wrap back down so that it can seal, and it's not gonna come undone. I mean, some of them might, and if they do, just rewrap it. So that's how it looks so far. As you can see, the butterfly is starting to take its place. You still have this piece right here, these two right here. So this is the important part. This is what's going to get your butterfly effect. This is what's going to make it look like this. Okay, boom. First, let's separate that some because this is the butterfly effect. You want it to look natural and you want it to stay, so you have to separate it because you want it to get tangled. Not while you're doing it, but like while you're sealing it. You want it to get tangled so that it don't come undone. So I just do this because this hair be getting tangled fast for real. Like as you can see at the end, it's already, I'm not finna deal with that. So just pull your fingers through it, okay? I'm not finna deal with that. Pull your fingers through it. Just like that. You're gonna take your finger, pinch it, and loop it up and wrap it around the bottom real tight because this is gonna be the bottom of your lock like that. Wrap it around real tight and start swirling up. Loosely though, y'all. Loosely, like real loosely, because like I said, you already got a tight one. So as I'm doing, you see I'm twisting. I'm twisting. I don't know if you saw it, but my hand's twisting as I'm twisting it around. And like I said, don't go all the way up. Start coming back down. And this is the part that's important because this is the part that's you got to get to stay so that your locks don't come down. Boom. Okay, y'all, and you see, there's my butterfly lock. It's stiff at first, but after a few days, it's gonna be loose, just like that. And they're not heavy at all. They're not, at least not to me, they're not heavy. I didn't have some heavy braids. My box braids be heavy. But this is not heavy. It's so cute and it's so trendy. So yeah, y'all, try this out. I'm gonna do a couple more for y'all and then I'm gonna end this video. But I hope this was a good tutorial. And let's get through a couple more. So cute. Like I said, these locks are about 2 going on 3 weeks old now. And they still look good, okay? I probably need to put some oil on my scalp. But they still look good. Boom, there's the oil. Yes, that look good. So yeah, y'all, these are my butterfly locks, Bohemian locks, whatever you'd like to call them. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And I want to see y'all outcome. Follow me on my social medias, my Instagram, Snapchat, whatever you want to follow me on, and show me and share this video. If you liked it and it helped you out, share this video. Help a sister out. Help somebody out who want to have these beautiful Bohemian locks, okay? So yeah, let me know how y'all do. And if y'all like my hair, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. See you next video.